Guys, my name is Vel Perez and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different where I'm going to be reacting to a compilation, I can never say that word, compilation, which is like a video of a lot of little videos. And I'm going to be reacting to, since I am a nail technician, I'm going to be reacting to the weirdest nail compilation video. I sound so stupid, I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, for the first one, they have combs made out of nails. Yeah, so that is crazy. Like, it seems like a lot of work because once they try to like drill the little comb parts, like it could easily break and you have to redo the whole nail. But that's crazy. Like, I guess it's useful if you want to just comb your hair and you don't have a brush with you, or you need to comb your child's hair, like, go for it. You have them right here at your fingertips. Okay. Then here we have, what the hell is that? What is that? Ew! No. Ugh. Why? Like, there's poop coming out of two butt cheeks. Well, a butt cheek. Ew! No! What the fish? Ew, and then they're like taking her butthole off the nail. Like, they're just, what is this? Ew! That is nasty. That is real gross. And then how they're just like shaving it off, it looks like disgusting. Anyway, what is this? Next, these are bubbles or bubble gum or balloons. I don't really get it. It looks weird. I don't know what they're doing. Like, who needs that? It looks, I don't know, bubble gum? I'm assuming. Oh my god, the next one is a freaking fork. Girl, I need that. And a toothpick. I need the fork with me. Just kidding. When you're just like busy, and you know how a lot of times you eat out and they never give you a fork. They don't give you forks, they don't give you napkins. Like, this is when a fork would be amazing on your nails. But then again, why not just use your fingers to eat, you know? Anyway, they have like a whole thing of silverware on their nails. Pop up. I mean, who eats chocolate like that? Me being a big girl, I just like put it all in my mouth, you know? Ew, their teeth. Ew. It's just wrong. And she's going like this, like trying to like chew with her hands. That's disgusting. Ew, disgusting. Ugh. Oh, this makes me want to gag. Oh. Ugh. There's hair, guys, like freaking hair extensions on your nails. Ugh. You know when you break a nail and you accidentally have like a split in it and you run it through your hair and you get your hair caught? Like, that's what I feel they did, you know? That's disgusting. Nuh-uh. I don't know, something about hair and wet hair. Ugh. Makes me wanna, like, I'm getting asco. If you guys are Mexican, I got asco. And then they're curling it, like, sure. Now this one, what is that? Corn? Ew. Like, she had to glue it on there somehow. So now you're eating whatever the hell that was. Like, I don't even have words. It's just so stupid. Gross. I hope she's gluing it on with some toxic-free glue, because you're gonna have diarrhea or a glued butthole. Can you imagine? Like, I mean, obviously these aren't nails that you can go out with. I don't think they actually wear them. I think they're just bored. Let me know if you guys think if I should do like since I'm a nail tech, like I can come out with some weird ass designs. Next is, ew, another hair one. She has hair in rollers. That is just freaking disgusting. It honestly looks like dead hair. No. Okay, hurry up. Move on to the next one. I honestly don't think I could be a hair artist. Like, I mean, a hair artist. A hair stylist. Because I don't like the smell of like, oh. The smell of like hair cooking under the dryer. Like, do you guys see how much Oscar I have right now? It's so gross. I don't know. And then they look all puby. Like, they look, she has a lot of split ends. Like, you need to go get yourself a Brazilian blowout for sure. Okay, hurry up, go on, move on. Next, what is this? Braces. So she has her nails painted white and then just brace. Like, how could you even do anything with your hands wired together? Your fingers. Dumb. Okay, move on. This stuff real slow and it annoys me. Okay, next we have a butterfly. I mean, it's just big. Like, you could never really do anything with these nails. I'm pretty sure whether you like it or not, it'll fall off. And they like mold all of this out of acrylic. That I do give them some credit. Like, that's gotta be really hard. Cause I don't know, I'm pretty sure if you haven't worked with acrylic, like that shit dries really quick. And once it's molded, it's molded. It's really cool how they can do all this. Like a full Tinkerbell. I mean, it's cute, like, as in a little object, you know? But not for your nail. Like, that thing's gonna take her whole nail with her. This is something I would do. I'm just kidding. There's like a whole eyeball with eyelashes. I mean, no. Gross. Like, that's gross. Okay, next is freaking ramen noodles. Like, that is gold. I mean, does she eat them? Like, you just have a bunch of noodles hanging off your fingers? Why? Like, the only thing I'm asking in all of this is why? Why? Like, why? If you're hungry and you need a snack, like, there you go. Like, you just have some noodles. And then they're fried on her fingers and she dips them in water and now she can eat them, and that just grosses me out. Kind of just grosses me out. Ew. That's nasty. Anyways, moving on. Toothbrushes. I mean, if you need to brush your teeth or somebody else's teeth, like, you are good to go. Look at, she's like washing the sink with it. I mean, ew, and then she's brushing her teeth. What is that? Like chicken feet? So now, I mean, chicken feet. I don't know what to say. That's disgusting. So creepy. Okay, I don't need to know how you made those chicken feet. I don't get it. It's like a little scrubby brush. Ew, with poop. Like, it's meant to look like the things you clean your toilet with. What are they called? You know what I mean? Like a little scrubber. Anyway guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this really short video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I will be doing these more with my husband because I think that will be more entertaining, because I'm just, I don't know. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.